Hello. Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to a new video. Ki hal chal? I hope you guys are doing good. In this, we're gonna see a problem. Vowels game in a string. Problem number 3 and 4 are already live. Just go and watch it. It simply says that we are given two players, Alice and Bob. Now, I'm also given a string, and basically Alice and Bob will play a game as usual. They always keep on playing a game. So it simply says that on Alice's turn, she has to remove a non-empty substring of S that contains odd number of vowels. Now on Bob's turn, he will remove non-empty substring of S having even number of vowels. Ultimately, I will have to tell the first player who is not able to make a move will be the loser, and Alice will start first. I have to return true if Alice wins, else if Bob wins. Now, you know that you are only concerned about vowels inside or number of vowels inside a substring. Now, if I give you any string, if I give you any vowels, I, let's say again A, and then again let's say O. So you realize that whatsoever is outside, you're not even concerned about it. You're only concerned about this specific substring which is actually taking in consideration all the vowels. Why I said that? Let's say this vowel count is 5 in this case. Obviously, Alice will take all of them. Thus, for Bob, it will have 0 vowels remaining. If for Bob 0 vowels are remaining, he cannot take any non-empty substring which will have even number of vowels. Alice wins. What if Aryan? What if Alice had 6 number of vowels? Okay, still in this scenario, if Alice ultimately in the array in the string it had 6 vowels, Alice again would have taken 5 vowels, just leaving one because Alice could see okay it is even number of vowels. He will take odd, which means -1, or she takes 5. She takes 5. In this scenario for Bob, he is left with one vowel. It is a odd. Even if he takes it, it will be odd substring, non-empty odd substring having odd number of vowels. Again, Bob loses. So we realized if the array is having even number of vowels or odd number of vowels, no matter what, Alice is winning. So when will Alice actually lose? Because for any number, it can be either odd or even. On both cases, Alice is winning. Then when will the Bob win? Bob can win the only when I have no vowels in the array, which means only scenario in which Alice could lose is when she sees empty, which means no vowel in the array. If I have no vowel, Alice cannot choose anything which is non-empty, and thus Alice would not be able to even play her first move. Thus, ultimately, that is the reason Bob can win. But if I have even one vowel, Alice will win because Alice will take that vowel. If I have two vowels, Alice will again take one vowel, leaving behind odd number of vowels. Again, Alice will win. If I have again odd number of vowels, Alice will again take odd number of vowels. Again, Alice will win. If I have even number of vowels, again Alice will take odd number of vowels, max odd number of vowels, leaving it only one vowel for Bob. Thus, again, Alice will win. So, in the scenario, when the count of vowel is 0, Alice loses, else, for sure, always Alice wins. And that is your ultimate aim. You could have dry run with this example also. 1, 2, 3, 4. Count is no matter what, it is not 0, Alice will win. Here you will see the count is 0. Thus, only in this scenario, Alice could lose. Thus, I will simply go and count the vowels. If the count is non-zero, more than equal to 1, Alice wins. Else, Alice loses. Time, it's simply O of n, and space is O of 1 because of no extra space used. This array size of O of 5 is not counted as a space. Cool, thus this is time and space. Again, it's again a greedy. All problems of today's contest were actually greedy. I hope you guys got it. If yes, then do smash that like baby. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye, take care. Do connect Twitter.